Hello guys, I am Kapil Chauhan. You are watching Technical Academy. In this lecture we will discuss in detail about the direct coupled amplifier circuit. So here in this lecture basically we will discuss in detail about the various advantages of using direct coupled amplifier circuit, disadvantage of direct coupled amplifier circuit, various applications of direct coupled amplifier circuit, and then we will compare the RC coupled amplifier, transformer coupled amplifier and direct coupled amplifier circuit. So first of all we will discuss about the various advantages of using direct coupled amplifier circuit. So the first advantage is that the circuit arrangement of the direct coupled amplifier is very simple because of the minimum use of the resistors, and the circuit is of the low cost because of absence of the expensive coupling devices like inductor or transformers. Now we will discuss about the various disadvantages of direct coupled amplifier circuit. So the first disadvantage is that it cannot be used for amplifying the very high frequencies, and the operating point is shifted in direct coupled amplifier due to the variation of the temperatures. Now we will discuss about the various applications of the direct coupled amplifier circuit. The first application is that the direct coupled amplifier circuit is used in the linear integrated circuits. They are used to amplify the low frequency signals. They are used in the bioelectric measurement devices, and they are used in the analog computations, power voltage regulator, TV receivers, jet engine control and computer circuitry. They are also used to eliminate the frequency loss through a coupling network. Now we will discuss about the comparison of RC coupling, transformer coupling and the direct coupling methods. So the first parameter of comparison is frequency response. RC coupling has the excellent in the audio frequency range, transformer coupling has poor, and direct coupling has the best frequency response. The second parameter is the cost. RC coupling has less cost, transformer coupling has the more cost, and direct coupling has the least cost. The third parameter of comparison is the space and weight. So the RC coupling has less space and weight, transformer coupling has more space and weight, and direct coupling has least weight and space. The fourth parameter of comparison is impedance matching. So the impedance matching of the RC coupling is not good, it is very bad, and transformer coupling has the excellent impedance matching, and direct coupling has the good impedance matching. The fifth parameter of comparison is the use of the RC coupling, direct coupling and the transformer coupling. So RC coupling is used for the voltage amplification, transformer coupling is used for the power amplifications, while direct coupling is used for amplifying extremely low frequencies. If you like this video, then you can hit the like button and you can subscribe to my channel. For more updates you can press the bell icon. Okay, thanks for watching.